Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first.
My name is Yara.
My name is Samantha.
My name is Ashley.
My name is Jada. My name is Arjun. My name is Yana. My name is Yashli. My name is Atana. And we are having a multiplication oral.
6, 4.
24.
4, 8.
32.
4, 7.
28. 6, 6.
36.
3, 4.
12.
3, 4.
Sakto eh.
3, 7.
9, 8. 72. 7, 6. 42. 8, 9. 72. 9, 9. 81. 8, 9. 72. 9, 8. 9, 8. 72. 6, 3. 18. 3, 4. 12. 5, 4. 36. 6, 6. 36. 4, 8. 32. 8, 6. 48. 9, 8. 72.
8, 6.
48.
9, 9.
81. 9, 8. 72.
7, 6.
42.
8, 7.
56.
Bye-bye!
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the Soul Studies.
I'm Jeannie.
I am Yena.
I'm Bibichi.
I'm Jaylee.
I'm Angel.
I'm Shaira.
I'm Janinia.
And we are going to Math Oral.
Review ko.
8, 7,
56.
3, 9,
27.
8, 4,
32.
5, 5,
25.
8, 7,
56. Ay! Sabi, mas basta pa sa ni bata. Ay! 4, 4. 7, 4. 9, 7. 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. 9, 3. 4, 3. 9, 2. 7, 7.
49,
9, 8. 3, 9. 3, 9.
27, 53, 70, 42, 44, 60, 98, 72, 73, 99, 74, 44, 99, 15, 24, 25, 56, 72, 97, 6, 6, 4, 8, 3, 8, 9, 3. Ay, 24. 19,
Pangutan na si Jeannie and 8.
72. Straight.
3, 18.
5.
5.
Ilan na? 3.
3.
9.
2.
9.
1. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye!
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-studies. I'm Shinmi.
I'm Kim.
And we are going to math oral.
Kaya na.
78,
56,
83,
24,
79,
63,
34,
12,
39,
27,
64,
24,
77,
49,
86,
48,
88,
64,
3, 3, 8,
24, 78,
56,
43,
12,
67,
42,
89, 89,
72,
kailan na to? 89, 77,
49,
43,
12,
67,
42,
92,
tinatalo, 18,
63,
18,
45,
20.
3 to 1.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. I am the self-study. My name is Shane and I am going to study. Apat na batid ng matagal. 1.5 million species so far, 2 to 100 million yet to be discovered. Is a way to group species in a logical manner, classification. A system to classify organisms. Each organism is given a biologically significant name that deals with their characteristics. Taxonomy. Taxonomy, a system to classify organisms, is a way to group species in a logical manner. In binomial nomenclature, each species is assigned a two-part scientific name. The scientific name is italicized. Linnaeus not only named species, he also grouped them into categories. Latin and Greek are used for scientific names. The first part, genus name, capitalized. The species name often describe an important trait or where the organism lives. Historical use, universality, descriptive power, neutrality. Historical use, universality, descriptive power, neutrality. Kingdom. Large Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, phylum, class. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Bacteria, archaea, eukarya. Chordata, Echinoderm.